Okay, this is a quick video about how to reset the Solion 600 camera. As you can see here, I have the camera and the panel, and I need to connect the camera like this. Okay, so I'll be able to power it. Here I have this panel and I have the on-off button just right here. I'm just gonna change here to on so I can power the camera and I can reset it. Okay, and here I can see that the camera is coming on. There's a LED here to indicate that. And back here I can remove this screw and find the reset button. Okay, under this cover, I'll just remove it. Here we go. And there's a reset button just right here. Okay, so I'm gonna press it and hold. Here we go.
System reset.
And it's done. Pretty easy, okay?
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Okay, as you can see, the camera is ready to connect. You just need to use your cell phone and start the process all over again, okay? So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments.